For the 77th consecutive year, Kashmiri observed India's Republic Day as a Black Day, upholding their proud tradition of resistance and reaffirming their struggle for freedom. Since August 2019, expression and political space in India illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has been virtually eliminated. Even those aligned with India's political structure face restriction and must operate cautiously under a regime of coercion and surveillance. Despite this, Kashmiri activists and citizens utilized posters, social media and peaceful demonstration to mark India's Republic Day as a protest against oppression. In Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and across the world, Kashmiris highlighted the ongoing struggle, holding rallies in Muzaffarabad, Neelam, Jhelum, Bagh, Rawalakot, Poonch, Mirpur, Kotli, braving harsh winter conditions, and the leaders of the Hurriyat Conference, political parties, students and displaced communities, they actively participated, sending a very clear message that the fight against Indian occupation continues until full freedom is achieved. India celebrates Republic Day to honor its constitution, yet it remains a state with a very dark record of democracy and minority persecution. From over 5,000 anti-Muslim riots and the demolition of Babri Masjid to forced demographic changes, discriminatory laws like CAA and NRC, state-sponsored lynching and widespread human rights abuses in Kashmir, the reality is far grimmer. A militarized occupation has resulted in nearly 96,000 deaths, hundreds of thousands of imprisoned, homes destroyed, families devastated, and generations traumatized. Kashmirs, through decades of resilience, remind the world that India is not their homeland, and their relationship with it is defined only by oppression and resistance. Republic Day in Kashmir, therefore, is not a celebration of democracy, but a solemn testament to this ongoing struggle for justice, freedom, and human dignity.